So after just 30 seconds from takeoff, is repositioning Eurofighter along the display line. The actual is all weight above 300 feet, but the top cloud of 4,000 people even for the air show will make measurable turns like a low show. Invert the flight into a standard turn away, and you can see the beautiful condensation on the wing of the Eurofighter. Eurofighter's delta wing is our wing to actually carry more usable weapons and load. Italian Air Force uses the Eurofighter for the air defense role and all the air-to-air escort and all the kind of air-to-air mission, but the aircraft is fully capable of air-to-ground that are very well developed by the consortium. 4 times 4 points roll, inverted, and measure per turn is back again into a 270 degrees turn, still at 9 Gs. Demanding from the physical point of view, the aircraft will stay for the whole show between 7 and 9 Gs. Eurofighter is a 4-nation built airplane. UK, Italy, Germany, and Spain are collaborating to develop the plane still today, and it's gonna stay online for the next 40 years at least. One of the most modern airplanes in Europe, and this measurable jump is probably the best display you will see around the world. Measurable jump is graduated from Pax River Test Pilot School, Naval Test Pilot School in the United States, and he was a former Tornado operational pilot, and he was picked to be, as every one of us, a test pilot, and today he's performing the second season, the end of